Assalamualaikum and good day to our respected lecturer, Dr. Aiman. Today, our team is thrilled to present our project for ICT608 Secret Recipe Portal Management. Okay, you might be wondering, why do we need a portal for secret recipe if they already has their own website? Well, when an employee quits the team, what do you think will happen to all of their knowledge? Right. A cashier might not mean much in the overall team, but if the head chef quits, well, I guess all his recipe are gone with him too. Okay. So before we present our project, let me introduce the team member behind this project. First is Muhammad Fazila with the ID 2024905599. Myself, Muhammad Iqmal, 2025142579. Nabila with the ID of 2024789031. And lastly, Wadina Safia, 2024764917.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fazlan bin Muhammad Sabri with the nomination number 2024-905599. So today I will presenting about our company that is Secret Recipe. So as you know, the company I will introduce and also will talk about is the Secret Recipe from the company background, the knowledge related that secret recipe facing, the goals, objective, scope of the proposed knowledge management portal. Now we start with the company description. So Secret Recipe, fully known as the Secret Recipe Cake and Cafe Seneberhan, is a Malaysian lifestyle cafe chain that was established in 1997. Over the years, it has grown beyond Malaysia and expanded internationally with branches for many countries such as Singapore and also the Indonesia. The company is best known for the cakes and fusion food. What sets Secret Recipe apart from the typical coffee house is they offer a full service dining experience. So it is positioned more more as a lifestyle cafe chain rather than just a place to grab a quick coffee. Because of the global presence, Secret Recipe is considered a large organization employing uh, about thousands of staff across the branches. It follow a hierarchy structure with the CEO of the top overseeing operation across the entire network. Now we move to the second slide. So here we understand the company. Let's look at the key knowledge related challenge Secret Recipe is currently facing. We identify three main issues. First is the transfer procedural knowledge. Since Secret Recipe operate across multiple countries and outlets, one major challenge is making sure that a cake bought in Malaysia tastes exactly the same as a bought in Singapore or Indonesia. This requires a reliable way to transfer precise, standardized knowledge like exactly recipes and preparation steps to every branch. Second is perceiving tacit knowledge. A lot of valuable knowledge exists only in the mind of the experienced staff. For example, a branch manager develop know how it handling customer complaint and running effective promotion, while law solving practitioners develop special technique through years of experience. This type is knowledge is difficult to write down on the formal document. So if this employee leave, that the expertise could be lost with them. Thirdly, managing large amount of knowledge as a global franchise, Secret Recipe generate a huge volume of data daily. For example, customer feedback as a data from the SRGO reward system. The challenge here is being able to filter through all this raw data as extract what actually useful and use it make quick and to inform decision without getting overwhelmed by information overload. So that's all for the knowledge and related challenge. Now we move to next slide. Okay, what is objective we can learn from this? So first is centralized knowledge. We want to store all recipe, training manuals, SOPs, and also supply information in a single or unified repository instead of having scattered from the different location or people. Second is to improve knowledge search. We want to make it easy for employee to quickly find the of the information they need or even the right expert to ask whenever they need it. Thirdly is to enhance knowledge sharing. This allow branches and staff to share update, real-time experience, and best practices with another people, not just isolate it. Lastly is to promote knowledge reuse. We want to encourage staff to reuse and build upon existing knowledge resources rather than starting from the scratch every time. Scope. Okay, for the scope is we start with the support of full range knowledge process that is related to discovery, capture, sharing, and application. Manage both basic knowledge such as recipe, SOPs, and so on. Some of the key content area the portal cover include recipe, food preparation, guideline, training manual, SOPs, franchise guideline, supply information, marketing, material and menu update, best practices and case study, and also the employee and organization information. So the target of this portal will include the HOD, branches manager, chef, HR, personnel, and franchise owners because everyone across the organization who need access this knowledge. And finally is um, the platform. So the platform itself will be built a secure web-based knowledge management management system, make it accessible and reliable for use across all branches both locally and internationally. And the goal, lastly, is to we want to develop a knowledge management system, MAS, to central knowledge, improve sharing, prevent knowledge loss, and support better decision for its secret recipe. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wardina Sabra binti Faizal. Today I want to present about knowledge identification. Firstly is basic knowledge, senior chef baking skill and food preparation technique, branch manager, experience in handling customer and operation, practical service tip share among experienced staff, risk of knowledge loss when employee leave. Second is APC knowledge, standard recipe and food preparation guideline, training manuals, SOP and franchise guideline, supplies information and customer service procedure, menu update, promotional material and SR tool, reward record. Easy to document, store and share. Third is embedded knowledge, standard operation procedure and workflow, inventory management and ordering system, SRGO reward automatic process, service culture and quality standard integrate into daily operation, remain within the organization even when staff leave. Next is KM architecture mapping. First example is identify knowledge, special baking technique, source from senior chef. Main KM process is knowledge capture. Sub-process is externalization. Portal feature is video training library. Justification is documented into a format that easy to share. Next is practical daily service technique. Search from experience. Main KM process is knowledge sharing. Sub-process is exchange. Portal feature is discussion board. Justification is experienced workers share their personal experience in method or technique to share to the new staff. Next is standard recipe. Search from headquarters. Main KM process is knowledge sharing. Sub-process is also a change. Portal feature is centralized recipe database. Justification is the same. Recipe is shared systematically across all branches for consistency. Next is branch operation manual and staff training manual. Search for operational manual. Main KM process is knowledge application. Sub-process is routing. Photo feature is interactive checklist. Justification is the system embeds manual into the daily workflow so that staff will follow the manual correctly. Next is sell trends. Search from SR Go reward system. Method and process is knowledge discovery. Sub-process is combination. Photo feature analytic dashboard. Justification is sell record from the app can be used to identify or analyze and identify the market. Lastly is common handling in customer complaint. Search for expert branch manager. Make and process is knowledge sharing. Sub-process is socialization. Porter's feature is internet fact or blog. Justification is expert manager personal insight are shared to reduce their difficult for new French manager. Next is technology identification, centralized knowledge repository, store recipes, SOP training material, and practice document in one secure platform. Second is intelligent search system, allows employees to quickly find information using keyword and filter. Third is collaboration and knowledge sharing tools, support communication for forum blog and discussion board to share ideas and best practice. Lastly is knowledge capture and retention tools. Use video digital document and training system to preserve knowledge from experienced staff and reduce knowledge loss.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila binti Nordin. My metric number is 2024789 Today I will present about the benefit and impact of implementing a knowledge management system like Secret Recipe. First is centralized knowledge repository. All recipes, standard operation procedures, and guidelines are stored in one centralized platform. These ensure that every secret recipe branch follow the same standard and delivers consistent food quality. Is intelligent system. New employees such as chef, cashier, or manager can quickly search for the information they need. These ensure time and improve work efficiency. And knowledge sharing tools. Headquarters and branches employee to share ideas, promotion, and best practices through one platform, improving communication and teamwork. Knowledge capture and retention tools. Experienced employee can document their knowledge through document or training videos. This prevents valuable knowledge from being lost when employees leave the company. For the conclusion, overall, the process aims to improve operational efficiency, ensure consistent service quality, and support effective knowledge sharing across all the secret recipe branches. Next, I will explain to you about the purpose infrastructure of the knowledge management system. So the first layer is system layers. It manages system security, user authentication, communication, and administration. It also ensures that only authorized user can access sensitive information. Second layers is the knowledge service layers. It supports knowledge management activities such as document management, discussion forums, internal blog, workflow automation, and reporting. So for the third layer is the knowledge desktop layer, which is the interface used by employee. Through these layers, employee can access the knowledge portal, search for an information, and watch training videos. The third quarter staff act as knowledge procedure by creating, uploading, and updating knowledge content. For the knowledge consumer, branches employee act as knowledge consumer by accessing and using the knowledge to perform their daily tasks. In conclusion, this three-layer architecture provides a secure, organized, and user-friendly platform for managing and sharing knowledge throughout secret recipe. Presenter to explain about next topic.
Okay, so next we'll be moving on towards the demonstration of our portal.
Kau kau. Now that we are at the end of our presentation, let me summarize back about our project. In summary, Secret Recipe faces many challenges in maintaining their product consistency, preserving employee knowledge, and managing large amount of customer data. Therefore, a web-based knowledge management system (KMS) is proposed to address all of these issues. The system proposed will be able to centralize knowledge, improve information search, encourage knowledge sharing, and promote knowledge reuse. This in turn support key KM processes such as discovery, capture, sharing, and application. The key feature that is included in the portal are a recipe database for chef, training videos for newcomers, discussion board for managers, search tool, and an analytical dashboard for HQ. In conclusion, the KMS project will reduce knowledge loss when an employee quits the company and improve access to information across all branches globally. It will also help in preserving valuable expertise from experienced staff. Therefore, the system will be able to improve the efficiency, collaboration, innovation, and product consistency of secret recipe. Ultimately, it strengthens the secret recipe competitiveness and support long-term global growth.